Hello, everyone, and welcome to Day 5 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice series on the English Expert podcast. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so happy to have you back as we continue improving your English speaking skills. If you're new here, make sure to check out the previous days where we've been practicing the shadowing technique to boost your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. For those who are new, shadowing is a simple yet powerful technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after them, trying to match their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It's like mimicking a native speaker to train your mouth and ears to speak English more naturally. Today, we'll focus on a single-person scenario, a short monologue about my daily routine. This is perfect for practicing how to talk about yourself in English. I'll speak each sentence slowly first, then at a normal speed, and you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's my daily routine. Imagine I'm telling you about my day. I'll say each line, and you'll shadow me. Let's start with the first sentence. Hi, I'm Emma, and I'd like to share my daily routine with you. Hi, I'm Emma, and I'd like to share my daily routine with you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Go. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. Now you try. Shadow me. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat after me. Then I make a cup of coffee and eat breakfast. Then I make a cup of coffee and eat breakfast. Your turn. Let's hear you. I like to have toast and egg for breakfast. I like to have toast and egg for breakfast. Go ahead and shadow me. At 8 o'clock, I start working from home. At 8 o'clock, I start working from home. Repeat after me. I work on my computer until noon. I work on my computer until noon. Your turn. Shadow me. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. Go ahead and repeat. In the afternoon, I take a short walk in the park. In the afternoon, I take a short walk in the park. Your turn. Let's hear you. I come back home and read a book or watch TV. I come back home and read a book or watch TV. Repeat after me. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax with my family. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax with my family. Go ahead and shadow me. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Last one. Repeat after me. Awesome job, everyone. Let's put it all together now. I'll say the entire monologue at a normal speed, and you shadow me line by line. Here we go. Hi, I'm Emma, and I'd like to share my daily routine with you. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee and eat breakfast. I like to have toast and egg for breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I start working from home. I work on my computer until noon. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or salad. In the afternoon, I take a short walk in the park. I come back home and read a book or watch TV. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax with my family. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Fantastic work. How did that feel? If you found any part tricky, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. You can replay this video as many times as you need to get comfortable with the sentences. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. When you're shadowing, try to focus on the linking sounds between words. For example, in I wake up at 7, the words wake and up blend together naturally. This will help you sound more fluent when you speak. That's all for Day 5 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice. Join us tomorrow for Day 6, where we'll explore another scenario to take your English speaking skills even further. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the English Expert Podcast for more daily lessons. Let me know in the comments how you're doing with shadowing. I'd love to hear your progress. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, and keep practicing.